Okay. Here we go. So Formby, I'm going to go over every single questions, actually up to 6 for today, and then I'll start number 7 on Friday. I'll post this up online just in case you need to go back and review. And for many people, you will have a separate video for that too. And if you want to really review to get ready for your test, I'll watch both versions to see how I solve each particular problem. It's the same way I'm trying to show you that. Yes?
So this is not a test?
It is not. It's practice.
It's practice.
So for you, if you were asking yesterday, just fill it in. Or attempt to do it yourself if you're doing Form B or Form A. I don't really care. Okay? So let's get started. Here's Form B.
How do we know which form is he? It says on the back.
The bottom right here.
The bottom is right.
Okay. Here's number 1. This is Form B. Number 1 says H plus 19. If you have Form A, just look. If you have Form B and did not get it correct, then fix it. Equals to negative 67. You should know whether or not you did it right, because if you follow a step, you'll see. Notice that I'm trying to get you used to either, you can do it using the shape method, sorting shapes, or the imitation, whatever you want. I don't really care. So notice if I'm using the shape, I'm just going to go and circle all the variables that I see and box all the numbers that I see. Right now, are we unsorted? So
No.
Okay, where do you need to move? What do you need to move? Yes.
We can move the negative 67 to the...
No.
So you're telling me to move the negative 67 over to the left to join with everything here.
No.
So that's how you sort. You put everything together and that's how you sort.
Oh.
So yes, friends.
Plus 19. Move it to the.
No.
So how do you
Minus
move?
19.
Okay, how do you move the plus 19 over?
You're killing me.
Minus 19.
Very good. Minus 19 over because you want to have the box shape over with the box shape. Notice it's gone on that side, right? And now I just have the H left. And here, what is negative 67 minus 19?
48.
Think. They're both the same signs. If they're the same signs, you group them together. It's like red blocks with red blocks,
Negative
green blocks
86.
with green blocks. You know what I'm saying? So what is it?
Negative 86.
Negative 86, you said.
That's the only part I got wrong.
There it is.
Because I don't know how to do it.
Are we clear now?
Yeah.
This is how we do it. That's number 1 for you. Take a look at number 2. Here's number 2. Number 2 states that it's negative 63 equals to W minus negative 29. Now this is the part that I want to show you. Every time you see double signs
It's positive.
sitting next to each other, turn them into one single sign.
That's when you multiply.
Okay? So
Or whatever.
you have a negative and a negative. We'll talk about, I gave you this simple, analogy of, okay, I have one lonely soul with another lonely soul. You meet each other and you be happy. Both will be happy. So in this case, you turn positive. So there it is. 2 negative, turn to a positive. What you should write here is W plus 29. Rewrite it into one sign.
Wait.
Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Got that? If you missed that part, that's why you didn't get it right. Another thing that you should have done is to check your work. If you have the answers, plug it back in at the end. Just test it to see if it's correct. Here, I have the box, I have the circle, I have the box. Don't forget, when you box it or circle it, the sign in front of the number or term has to stay with that term. Where do I move my box?
I know it this time.
Yes, go ahead, Lionel.
But you do minus 29.
Very good. So I'm going to move the box on the left, go back to the, the right back to the left. Okay, so now the right side is gone. I only have a W left, which is good. We want our variable isolated. What is negative 63 minus 29? Negative
That's
92. Very good.
Why?
Why? Because I have 63 red blocks and I give you 29 more red blocks. How many red blocks do I have?
Gosh, don't say that.
You know, if you don't like negative, think of it as a color. Red, all reds are negative. All positive, all positive means green. How about that? I love green. Money coming in. So all positive I see, I turn that into green. Okay? If that helps you at all. Alright, moving on to number 3. Take a look at number 3. I have negative 6 times y equals to negative 42. Okay.
Why is it box?
Huh?
Why is it box?
What box?
The thing.
Yeah, yeah, box.
What do you mean box?
Look,
It
look at
has
it.
a
It
box.
has a box around it.
Doesn't have. Oh,
Oh.
it does? It's just, don't worry about that box. Okay. It's just a frame. Okay, how do I solve for y?
Add 6 by both sides.
Whoa.
Wait.
Big thing.
How did I do
You're
that?
getting rid of just the -6, not the term, right?
How do I do that? -6. Divide by -6.
Thank you. Notice I'm not moving anything. I'm just getting rid of a coefficient, -6. And we only have two options, divide or multiply. So in this case,
Divide.
we're
I just
dividing.
got all
It's
of
gonna be
that.
positive 7.
Very good. Done.
That square was confusing me.
What square?
Okay.
Oh.
But anyway, if you take that 7 plug it right back into y, 7 times -6 is -42. And you know you have the right answer. Take a
Wait,
look.
what was number 2?
-92. No? Because you are turning the double sign to a positive. Okay? And it is online. You're going to have to go see it again. Yeah. Number 4. -2/5k times k equals 220. How many ways can you actually solve this?
Oh, you have to wait. Never mind. I'm not gonna.
How many ways can you solve this? Yes. Good. One way is to multiply by the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of -2/5?
5/2.
Thank you. -5/2. Sign stays the same. So -5/2.
Make 20/1.
Very
So far,
good.
so good.
Make 20/1.
And can't you cross, not cross multiply, but you could like divide, like.
Okay, so look. And then now k equals to,
2 goes into 20.
which is
10.
10 times -5?
Wait, what?
What's 10 times -5?
50.
-50. Don't forget the sign, people. And that's,
Calm down.
I got -25.
well, think about it.
Shit.
Isn't 20 times -5 -100?
Yes.
-100 divided by 2, -50?
Wait, you went too fast. Now I don't get it.
Simple division.
Yeah, you go too fast, Mr. Wayne. You do that.
Whoa. Miriam. I'm multiplying. 20 times -5.
You're going to see.
That's 100. -100. I can't.
This is simple multiplication.
Oh,
Negative 100? Divided by 2? Wow. And that's called fast.
No, it's because you did on that.
Oh, wait. Shh.
No, I get it now.
Okay. That's one way.
I left it 100. I didn't divide.
Okay.
I crossed both. I crossed the
Now, what's another way to solve this problem?
You can just multiply 20 times -5. And just simplify from that.
Well, let's take a look.
Do the LCD off.
Very good. You can't. Watch what happened. Notice, remember I reminded you about clearing fractions, right? If you see a fraction, you can clear it. What is the LCD here?
Oh,
5.
5. If you take that and multiply by 5, 5 cross cancel with the 5 will give you 1. 1 times -2?
2, -2.
-2k. What is 5 times 20?
6 100.
Yeah. And look, you divide by -2 both sides. K is?
-50.
There you go. Same exact answer.
Smart.
You see that? So, we can multiply the reciprocal, we can also clear a fraction if we need to, and it's going to get you the same answer. Do you know a third way to do it?
Oh, imitation.
No, not that one.
The long
We already multiplied by the reciprocal. What's another way to do it?
Turn it into a number.
You forgot this, didn't you? Watch. Isn't -2/5 k the same thing as -k/5?
Yes.
Same thing. Equals to 20, but watch what happened. Over 1.
OMG.
Cross multiply.
Cross multiply.
Oh.
Fraction on each side, we can certainly multiply. So if you cross multiply,
Yes.
you end up with 100 over here
Oh yeah.
and
-2k.
-2k over here. Set them equal, and you solve and get the same answer, -50.
Dang, aren't you the math wizard?
Okay, so that's number 4. Take a look at number 5. You have -2.7 equals to n divided by 4. Can you show me a way to do this?
The reciprocal
Sure, you can.
thing.
Or what? Thank you very much. You can put a 1 underneath it and cross multiply. Right. So here is the butterfly again. 1 times n, 1 n, or just n. -2.7 times 4.
Hold on, I gotta.
What is -2.7 times 4?
10.8. 8.
Very good. It's actually negative 10.8 because of the negative, right? Lowly negative.
Yes.
There.
I got it right.
Very
For
good.
the first time.
All right.
Let's practice this.
Okay. But notice that the problem before that weren't that difficult, right? Okay. Take a look at number 6. I have negative 5 over 12 plus p equals to negative 3 over 4.
You can do
Oh,
LCD.
Mr.
Okay.
Nguyen, I know.
How do we do this problem?
LCD.
LCD.
LCD. What is the
12.
LCD here?
12.
Very good. 12. Now, I don't know, but I'm really pushing you to do this technique instead of multiplying across. Cross divide first.
Are these shortcuts?
That's what I'm saying. 12 divided by 12 is
1.
1 times negative 5?
5. Negative 5.
Negative 5. 12 times p?
Hey, I know the other one. 12p.
What about this one?
That's 4. I mean, not 4.
3.
9. Negative 9.
Negative 9. Thank you.
Oh, what?
How is that negative 9?
12 divided by 4?
is 3.
3 times negative 3?
Oh, I thought you said
You-
negative 3 times negative 3.
You cross divide, then multiply.
Oh,
Okay? So, now, for the sake of imitation technique, here we go.
Hold on, hold on.
Now you do plus 5.
Watch what happened.
I know how to do
Hold
it.
on. We have a number term, a coefficient term. We have a number term. What's missing here?
You have to add
A 0 plus 0.
Plus
0p.
Very good. Okay, let's imitate. 0p, looking over to the 12p. How do we?
Add 12.
Minus 5.
Okay, add 12p. Gone.
I have to put equal.
And over here,
You have to put equal.
negative 5. How do you go down to negative 9?
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Mr. Nguyen.
Yes.
Why
And then
did
you put the line, and then you do 12.
Okay,
And
divide.
then you put the line and do 12, and then that one crosses out, and then p equals. Whoa.
Oh my
3. Negative 3.
This is not 12 divided by negative 4.
Oh,
This is
Negative
negative
4
4 divided by 12,
12.
which is
Negative 3.
negative 1/3. Very good.
Negative 1/3.
Wait, Mr. Nguyen.
Yes.
Why?
Hey, I got that whole thing to the end.
Why can't you just when you first started? Why couldn't you just do
Yeah,
plus
I
5?
didn't get
These
that.
are like
Wait. I'm not saying. I'm just showing you a different way.
Oh,
This is the imitation technique. Remember?
I like this one.
Whatever.
I don't like this one.
Okay.
This one, I don't
Okay.
yeah.
If you were to do the other way, let me show you the other way.
Let's
Watch.
show us.
Negative 5 plus 12p equals to negative 9, right? And then, Lionel, you said this. Here's the box. Here's the box. Here's the circle,
Yeah,
right?
the other way.
So of course you'll be moving the negative 5 over. Is that true?
Yes.
Then you'll be adding 5. Adding 5.
You cross
So you have 12p equals to negative 4, isn't it?
Yes.
And then you
Oh,
divide by 12. Isn't it the same answer as negative 1 over 3? There.
That way's easier.
Wait, hold on.
Doesn't
let me
matter,
do
I
that
don't really
real
care.
fast,
I
let
don't
me
get
do
the other
that.
one.
I'm showing you different ways. You pick the way that you like.
I like that one.
That's it. Any questions so far? By the way,
No.
this will be online and we'll continue with number 7 next time, okay?
And next one.